Okay. Here we go. All right. Thank you for tuning in. I'm your Florida weather guy. We're going to cover some stuff here. First, we're going to join the Friday forecast. Hello. This is Jeff. This is Jeff, your Florida weather guy. I'm going to start it back here. And this is your FWG weather. And this is your forecaster, Jeffrey A. Gentry. And now we're going to get right into the forecast. The heat tomorrow will be in the mid-90s all across the state of Florida, with some heat index up to 110 in the north central part of the state. Elsewhere will be 105 to 109. Tomorrow, there is the highest chance of rains will be up in the north and east, anywhere from 50 to 60%. This is our Friday Tampa Bay regional weather area, and it looks like some mid-90s, anywhere from 40 to 30% chance of rain. And along the coast right here in Pinellas County, it's only 20% for tomorrow. This is my weekend forecast. Friday and Saturday for tomorrow in Pinellas County, 95 degrees, low of 78 and 79 on Saturday. There's a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms Friday and Saturday, and then dropping back to a 0% chance by Sunday. All right. That was your forecast. Now I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to look at synoptic weather. All right. And we're going to, well, first of all, we'll look at Oklahoma, 100 degrees, 102 in Arizona, some 90s all the way up into Missouri, some over in South Carolina. That's tomorrow night. But we're going to go back, start out in the morning. Okay. And we're going to go mostly with the state of Florida tomorrow in our Tampa Bay regional weather area. So in Pasco County, you're looking about 81, Central about 79, 79, Hillsborough County 79, Eastern Hillsborough County 77, Pinellas 81, and 79 down there closer to St. Petersburg, Bradenton 81, and that's in Manatee County, in eastern Manatee County, 75 degrees. Let's look, and you can see the 90s starting to upper 80s along the coast to mid 90s, well inland in Pasco, Same for Hillsborough County, eastern Pinellas County in the mid 90s, closer to the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s. In Manatee County, closer to the coast, upper 80s and mid to lower 90s. Let's look at the radar. Actually, let's take this off. See if there's any. At least they'll show some white rain. It's right about here. So that'll be Winter Haven, Bartow, eastern Hillsborough County, eastern Manatee County. Nothing in Pasco County. That is for tomorrow at 5. Let's see what it does tomorrow evening. So it's early afternoon tomorrow when you're going to see the rain. Then it's going to slowly dissipate. Okay. Let's look at the dew points for tomorrow. Ooh, baby. No wonder why we're going to probably have a heat advisory for tomorrow. Well, upper 70s, some lower 70s, eastern Hillsborough, eastern Manatee, and eastern Pasco County. Not for Pinellas. Let's see what the wind speeds for tomorrow. Generally light. See if there's any gusts for tomorrow. Still light. The closest gust would be 6 miles an hour, and that's up in north and west Pasco County for tomorrow. Precipitable water. We have enough juice for tomorrow. Definitely enough juice for tomorrow. Yeah, we're definitely going to have some clouds tomorrow. Yeah. It's not going to be an all cloudy day, but we're definitely going to have some clouds tomorrow. Okay. All right, let's see what the cloud color shower. Yeah. That's Saturday morning, but let's go back. That was in the afternoon. Yeah, some clouds tomorrow. But more in the morning. And as the afternoon goes on, yeah, but more in the morning tomorrow. But this makes sense because this is where the rain's going to be. Let's see if we could. Yeah, it's definitely going to be cloudy. See where these two, the red line and the blue line touching together. And then they spread apart here. This is a cape. So there's some cape tomorrow. Yeah, not too bad though. Alrighty, that's been your summary breakdown. This is your synoptic weather outlook for tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow night for Saturday's outlook. All right. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.